Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we review and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with the Hyekit PBT Keycaps, specifically their picnic duck keycaps. In this video, we'll explore the key features, compatibility, and overall performance of these unique keycaps. The Hyekit PBT Keycaps feature the MOA profile, an upgraded style of the XDA keycap. This profile offers a more beautiful and cute design with rounded edge lines and higher typing comfort. The concave surface of the keycap enhances the feel and fit for your fingers during typing. These custom keycaps come with a whopping 143 keys, making them versatile for various keyboard layouts. They are compatible with most layouts, including 60%, 65%, 75%, 80%, 96%, and 100% layouts. Popular keyboard models like AND Pro 2, RK68, and RK84 are supported. Hyekit uses advanced dye sublimation technology to ensure that the keycap's color and patterns are clear and beautiful. This technology allows the color to penetrate into the keycaps, preventing fading or deformation over time. You'll enjoy a premium and long-lasting experience with these keycaps. These keycaps are made from textured, high-grade PBT material, known for its resistance to wear, friction, and solvents. The keycaps are built to withstand heavy use, ensuring a better user experience and longevity. The keycap walls are approximately 1.5 mm thick, providing maximum durability and sturdiness. Whether you're a gamer or a professional typist, these keycaps are designed to withstand the test of time. These picnic duck keycaps come in a vibrant yellow color, adding a touch of fun and uniqueness to your keyboard. The cute duck design is sure to grab attention and make your setup stand out. The Hyekit PBT keycaps are available on Amazon for $32.99, making them an affordable option to upgrade your mechanical keyboard. They also come with free shipping for Amazon Prime members. Customer reviews on Amazon highlight the great quality and cute design of these keycaps. Users have praised their durability, matte finish, and comfortable typing experience. If you're looking to give your mechanical keyboard a fresh and adorable look while maintaining high-quality performance, the Hyekit PBT keycaps with picnic duck design could be an excellent choice. Don't forget to check the compatibility with your keyboard layout before making a purchase. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.